kids. Today, Bunny will take you on an exciting adventure to explore the alphabet from A to Z, and each letter comes with a super cute animal.
Are you ready? Let's jump into the fun and learn together.
Alligator. Alligator has very sharp teeth and loves to lie in the water. Say it with tongue-y. Alligator. Bear. Bears live in forests and love to eat honey. Repeat after Bunny. Bitter. Cats go meow meow and love to nap. Let's say C. Cat. Dogs are loyal friends to humans. Do you have a dog at home? Say boo. Dog. Elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears like fans. Say wiggle. Elephant. Fox. Foxes have beautiful orange fur and are very clever. Say with Bunny. F. Fox.
Giraffes have long necks to reach leaves high in the trees.
Let's say G. Giraffe. Hippo. Hippos live in water, round and cute. Say together. Hippo. I. Iguana. Iguanas are colorful reptiles. Say after Bunny. I. Iguana.
J. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish float in the sea with soft silky tentacles. Let's we.
J. Jellyfish. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have pouches to carry their babies around. Say
Kangaroo.
L. Lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle with mighty manes. Let's roar. Lion. Lion. Monkeys are playful, love to climb and eat bananas. Say it. Monkey. Narwhal. Narwhals have long horns like unicorns and live in the sea. Say N. Narwhal. Owl. Owls stay awake at night and say hoo hoo. Say it with Bunny. Oh, owl. Penguin. Penguins live in cold places and waddle cutely. Say P. Penguin. Quail.
Quails are small and quick birds. Repeat.
Quail. Quail.
Rabbits have long ears and love to eat carrots. Bunny is a rabbit too. Say a rabbit.
Snakes have no legs, slither smoothly and go.
Say it with Bunny.
Seek.
Tiger. Tigers have black stripes and run fast in the jungle. Let's roar. T. Tiger.
U. Urchin. Say urchins are round
And covered in spines. Say you. Urchin.
V. Vulture.
Vulture.
Vultures have large wings and soar
High in the sky. Say vulture.
bow.
Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. Say it with bubble. Whale.
X-ray fish.
This fish is see-through. You can even see its bones. Let's say X-ray fish. Why yaks live in high cold mountains and have thick fur to stay warm. Say why yak. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and run fast across the savannah. Say ZZ.